Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about the command line arguments in your Python program. So, how we can provide the command line arguments when I can pass these command line arguments to my Python program means while running your Python program, then we can pass the command line arguments. So, I have a Python program inside this file. My file name is like 1.py. While running this program, how we can run py 1.py. While running this program, if you pass some values here, if you pass some values here, these values are available to my program like a command line arguments is available like a command line arguments. If you want, you can retrieve these arguments. You can work with those arguments in Python. If you want to retrieve the command line arguments, we have one variable is there, argv variable that is inside my sys module, sys module, so that from sys module, don't worry about this line. Okay, at the time of packages and modules, I will discuss. Okay, clear cut. What is from what is sys, all these things we'll discuss. For now, just remember from this module. Okay, I want to import one of the variable called as a argv. Using this argv variable, I can hold whatever the variables you pass while running my Python program. I can hold it. How many variables you can pass like this? 10, 22. In future, 3. Okay, 10. I don't know. 1 I can pass it. 0 I can pass it. It's nothing but I don't know exact count. So maybe 0, maybe 10, maybe 5. Multiple elements, how we can represent by using list, so that my argv type is like a list type. Once you have a list, by using the index we can retrieve the data or not. I want to show you programmatically now. I want to show you programmatically now. Open my Visual Studio Code. Just create one Python program, command line. Now I want to run this program. If you want to run the program, how we can run it? If you want to run this Python program, how we can run it? Just you can run py is the command. Py is the command. Just wait, it's taking some time. Yeah, py is my command. And what is my file name? What is my file name? My file name is like a command line.py or not. Okay, py command line.py, command line.py. Okay, just wait. Okay, sometimes it got stuck. Don't worry about that one. Just close it. Okay, reopen again. Reopen again. Okay, now let's see. Py. Okay, my program name is like what? Command line or not. Now click on enter. There is no data, nothing is there. There is no lines of code to execute. Okay, now while executing this particular program, if you pass some data, yes, you can pass it. Okay, you can give the space and then you can pass it. Whatever the data you are passing, that data we can say like a command line arguments. These command line arguments I want here. So how we can get it means, from my system module, there has one variable is there, argv variable. By using this variable, we can hold these command line arguments. So my argv is like which type means it's like a list type. So that can we print that variable? Can we print that variable? Now, if I run it, see my argv how it looks like. Okay, sorry, this is like import. Yeah, see this. It prints a list. Okay, my first argument is what? My first argument is what? The program what you are running, the Python file. My second one is what? 10. My third one is like 20 or not. Okay, so that if it is like list, how we can get my first value of 0, of 0. How we can get my second value of 1, like this we can get it or not. This is my second value, this is my third value, like this you can get it. Now say this, yes, this is one value, this is one value, this is one value. Okay, now if you want to perform the sum, then that time just can I use my args of 1 plus args of 2. or 3 of 2. Now come here and run it. Now by seeing this one, you can understand my command line arguments are like which type. It's going like which type. I pass like a 10, but it's going like a string format or not. String plus string, it's like a concat. Okay, so that can be converted into integer. Now this is my one value. From here, this is my another value or not. Another value or not. Now you can see my exact output, I can get it or not. Now, not only this one, you can pass any type of value. Okay, 10, 20, you can pass it or not. Yes, 30 or not. This is the way we can pass the command line arguments. This is the way we can retrieve the command line arguments or not. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.